The 2015 XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, rear-view camera, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Davidson, Gebhardt, Chevrolet, and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.